it's Rita.
And Sopatty,
Also known as Twin Crunch. So today we are making
Boklahong.
also known as papaya salad. We have our ingredients are
We have palm sugar,
and obviously we have the papaya shredded.
unripe.
Yeah.
We also have my tamarind sauce.
And we have gapi.
Also known as fermented shrimp paste. And it's optional because it's really smelly and pretty like strong. So instead of that, you can always use fish sauce. And in here we have some of our veggies. We have tomato, long green beans, a Thai chili pepper, garlic, and lime. And what we'll do is put everything in here.
And just bucket. So yeah, we'll show you guys how we bucket.
So in here we have garlic and Thai chili, and we're just gonna pound it together. Once it's mushed up together like this, you add your beet sauce or your shrimp paste. About that, like a spoon of palm sugar. You can use regular sugar if you don't have palm sugar. Tamarind sauce. I'm gonna do 2 spoons full. I'm just gonna stir it in. And my tomatoes. Be careful with these, they'll squirt all over you. So just don't pound it too hard, just kind of like a handful of shredded papaya. Long green beans also. So I'm pounding it lightly so it doesn't splatter everywhere. You don't want to smell like beet all day. So once I pound everything, I put everything into this green bowl with all the papaya, the rest of the papaya, and I'm mixing it all in and pounding it here and there. And I'm gonna taste it and see what I need, so I tasted it and I like more sour, so I'm gonna squeeze in lime. Squeeze out 1 lemon and I add a spoonful of tamarind sauce, and then I'm gonna add an extra 2 spoonfuls of palm sugar. Spread it everywhere.
So here's our end results of our boklahong. Oh my god, it looks so good, all these beautiful colors. Alright guys, that's it for now. The Twin Crunch is on a time limit.
If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.
Yeah, don't be afraid, don't feel shy. We're more than willing to try out new recipes. So yeah.
So please like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Any questions or concerns?
Concerns.
Alright guys, that's it for now.
The time crunch.
Alright guys. Alright guys, that's it for now. The Twin Crunch is off.
If you have any questions.
Also known as
Papaya salad.
Oh, should we do that again?
Yeah.
It wasn't smooth. Hey everyone! Alright guys, that's it for now. The time crunch.
The time crunch.
So what was the